In today's digital age, cybercrime is no longer the work of lone hackers hidden in basements. It has become industrialized. Attacks now scale like factories, accelerating through rapid life cycles, each new variant more dangerous than the last. Imagine conveyor belts of malware rolling off production lines, automated, relentless, and designed to overwhelm defenses before they can adapt. This industrialization collides with another chilling reality: the fragility of our critical infrastructure. Energy grids, hospitals, and transport systems, the lifelines of modern society, are increasingly exposed to stealth attacks. Power grids run on outdated software, vulnerable to coordinated strikes that could plunge entire cities into darkness. Hospitals, once sanctuaries of healing, now depend on network devices and digital records. A single breach could freeze life support machines mid-operation. Transport systems, from railways to airports, rely on digital coordination. A stealth attack could halt trains, ground planes, or paralyze urban mobility in minutes. When cybercrime factories target fragile infrastructure, the consequences transcend financial loss. These attacks strike at the very heart of survival. Unlike data breaches, which compromise information, infrastructure attacks compromise lives. The metaphor of a factory becomes haunting. Conveyor belts of malware aimed not at bank accounts, but at hospitals, power plants, and transport hubs. This is a paradigm shift. Cybercrime is no longer about stealing secrets. It is about manufacturing disruption on a scale that rivals natural disasters or acts of war. The implications are global. For national security, governments must treat cybercrime factories as strategic threats, no different from hostile states. Economically, a blackout or transport paralysis can ripple across supply chains, costing billions. And the human cost is immeasurable, lives endangered when hospitals or emergency services are compromised. This is the new frontier of digital conflict. Factories of digital malice, operating with corporate precision, now target the fragile lifelines of civilization. The challenge ahead is monumental: to build resilience, innovate defenses, and foster global cooperation before the next wave of attack strikes. Because in a world where cybercrime runs like a factory, the question is no longer if your city will be targeted, but when.